Assalamualaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I will show how to make this object in Solidworks software. I will show it in two parts. So at first I am taking the new file. Okay. Then MMJS is selected. Go to the top plane. Extruded boss is selected, and I am going here. Select the center rectangle. Now sketch it. Go to the smart dimension, and it will be 100 by 100 the square shape. Okay, exit it. Then it will be 20 millimeters upwards. Okay, then extrude boss, click on the surface, go to here, normal plane is select, go to here, corner rectangle is selected, sketch it. Okay, then smart dimension is selected, determine it, it will be 20 millimeters. Okay, exit it. And then it will be upwards 80 millimeters. Okay, then extrude boss is select again, click on the surface, go to here, normal plane is taken, and sketch a corner rectangle and determine it from here to here 25 millimeters, from here to here also 25 millimeters, and this part is 20 millimeters. Okay, exit it. Okay, it will be 30 millimeters. Okay, done. Okay, the next card is selected, click on the surface, go to here, select the normal plane, taking the circle and draw a circle. It will be 20 millimeters. Exit it, and through all is selected. Okay, done. Then extruded boss is select, click on the surface, go to here, taking the circle. Okay, first of all I am taking it, it will be 35 millimeters. Okay, done. Then it will be up to the 50 millimeters. Okay, done. Then extrude boss select on the, click on the surface, go to here, select the normal plane, go to here, taking the circle, and it will be 50 millimeters.